the burros that are watching, can any burro do this? Any burro or burritas?
100%.
Yeah, you get a chance.
Listen, if my father knew that this was available when I was like 5, I'd be working since 5. It's not gonna be that dramatic. Put some force into it, man. What are you doing? She's a lucky lady, I guess.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside. No need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair. Mi gente, mi amigos. Right now we're here at the Viega, guys, and you know this is right up my alley. So just what's your name? Ryan. Ryan, nice to meet you. I go by Louie the Boiler Man, the HVAC poppy, and you know this guy. I lay down the pipe. So you understand what I mean. So I want everybody to know out there a little bit about Viega. Tell me about Viega. Yo,
listen. If you're gonna lay down the pipe, we're gonna get you the right fitting so you can do it right.
Oh,
that connection. You know what I'm saying?
Very tight connection, if you know what I mean. What exactly are we looking at? I know what we're looking at, but tell everybody, tell our audience out there what we're looking at.
So we're a manufacturer's rep, and what we do is we make sure that you connect pipe.
Can I go on this side?
Yeah.
All right, don't worry. I don't bite you. I don't bite you.
No worries. We connect pipe, basically.
Oh, right. Conexión.
That's it. You're trying to put pipe together, and you want something safe, strong, and efficient. You're using Viega Connect. That's it.
That's right. Don't get nervous.
I'm not.
All right. So what exactly is it? This is not copper. Is this steel?
This is stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Oh, okay.
Stainless steel tubing. This is what our product is right here.
So
a Viega fitting.
So what's this thing that goes inside this little fitting right here? So this is a pipe that goes right inside,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So is it standard 3/4 or ½ inch? What size do you guys carry?
We carry it from a ½ inch all the way up to 4 inch.
½ inch to 4 inch. You got another few more inches to go. Oh,
got the big boys on when you need it.
Oh man, that's a curl, bro. Woohoo!
You can use these for the gym, you know.
Yes, sir. But can you demonstrate people out there how it works? Because I think they want to see it. I mean, it's one thing explaining it. So if you do a demonstration, you show us. I mean,
100%.
Or do I get to do it, or you get to do it?
You get to do it.
Oh, I get to do it. Oh, all right.
Listen, what's your favorite beer bottle?
Beer bottle?
What do you like to drink?
Oh, me? I'll keep it simple. Coors Light.
All right.
I'm a light guy.
Coors guy, right? But
Coors Light.
do you like Modelo's here and there or
I
not?
like Modelo's. I guess you drink a Modelo, so you're more of a man. You're more of a man than I am. What do I know?
Never. So right now we're gonna make a bottle opener for you. All right?
Wow.
You're gonna make it. We're just gonna help you show you how to do it.
Whoa, you're breaking it already.
Never.
Yo, you break, you pay. That's right.
So we're gonna take the pipe into our Viega fitting.
Okay.
What color do you want? Black, blue, or red?
I'm a red type of guy. I'm a lover.
You're a lover.
I'm a lover. I like red.
Valentine's Day was last month, man.
That's all right. Baby, I'm gonna bring you a beautiful bottle opener from Louie the Boiler Man. I love you.
We'll just take this one, all right?
All right.
So now you just connected
Stainless steel
to a PEX
All right.
tubing.
Gotcha. All right. Wow. Yo, this shit is crazy over here. Yo, we're like engineers now.
So one might say you're a lover of all types right now.
I'm a lover.
Look at that. I love
Not that many types, one type.
So here's the machine.
Oh, shit.
Let me hold your machine and you hold mine. You got it?
Woo.
You gotta open that up real quick.
Right
Take that in there.
See that?
Make sure that's secure.
Everybody, you guys watching? Here we go. You ready?
Go for it.
You ready?
It's not gonna be that
We're
Put some force into it, man.
Oh,
What are you doing?
yo, the battery died.
No, sir. That's
No, when the battery died. For real.
Look at that.
Bro, you give me
This is this is
I gave
great.
me a 2 and no battery.
No, this is great. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because it won't finish the press until you replace the battery. So you don't waste the fitting.
So I get the bottle opener and okay, give me the shit.
So we're gonna replace the battery, right?
All right.
Still won't open.
You got a lot of muscles, man.
Look at that. Still won't open.
Yo, this guy got muscles, baby. Got more muscles than me. Got the guns.
Oh no, that's.
I think I'm gonna get myself a new press machine, if you ask me.
Here, let me get that Milwaukee battery.
Is he looking? Let's go. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you guys looking for a bottle opener, listen, I'm just letting you know, if you want one of the bottles opener just like this, you go for $9.99.99. Just keep adding 9s to that.
Now you got the battery in there, right?
All right. Damn, I was at the end. Damn, bro. Shit. I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Coño.
So now we got to press the PEX side of the fitting.
Okay.
So the beauty of it, you can use the same machine.
Okay. Gotta change the drawers.
Just change the jaws.
Change the drawers of life, baby. So any burro can do this?
Are you a burro?
I'm not saying I'm a burro. Are you a burro?
It depends on what day you're asking.
I don't know.
If it's Sunday, Saturday. Definitely after 5 p.m.
But we want to ask the burros that are watching, can any burro do this? Any burro or burritas?
100%.
Oh, burros, you got a chance.
Listen, if my father knew that this was available when I was like 5, I'd be working since 5. But thank God this wasn't around when I was a kid.
Oh, wow. Shit, I know what I could do with that. A lot of other things. All right.
We're going to press that.
Oh, shit. All right. Are we missing one more?
One more.
Here we go. Oh, I'll do it. No, take my... No,
We're going to do it by itself.
Oh,
you need to do it.
I don't have to do anything. Oh, thank you, puppy. Thank you.
Now here's a real test. Ready?
All right.
Pull that end. Pull as hard
All
as you
right.
can. Pull as hard as you can. Keep going. Put some force into it, man. What are you doing? She's a lucky lady, I guess.
Brother,
There you go.
I want to say thank you for the demonstration. Thank you for all the burros out there watching because, listen, you have a chance, guys. You have a chance to become a burro to a bigger burro. Now you're a burra. But anybody could buy this. Where can they find this product as far as, like, these drawers? This got to be a contractor because you got to go to a local distributor.
You can go to a local distributor. You can get them from Home Depot, get them from Lowe's.
Okay.
The machine, the jaws.
And one other question.
Yeah.
So the application is endless, man. We got copper, we got stainless steel, we have PEX. What else do we have? Black pipe.
We have black pipe. We
Black
have
pipe.
Over 2,000 applications.
Wow,
I
2,000.
don't remember them all. but
You don't have to remember them
they're
all.
Available online if you scan that code, and you'll be able to find whatever application you want to.
That's what I'm talking. So just tell everybody how they can find Viega real quick, and that's it. We're closing out the show, baby, because you know what? I'm ready to go to my local distributor, buy myself a new press gun, press finish, and I'm in business, baby.
And we'll be there to support you guys throughout the entire process.
Oh, I love this guy. Listen,
Thank you,
on
brother,
the count of 3, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa!
Louie the Boiler Man.
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man, New York Boiler and AC Repair.
Forget about those cold days. Just take me